Check right low beam.
Okay. So you need to go over here. And you'll see this one. This is not it. You want to go here. Okay. Turn it counterclockwise.
You have found the right video. I will show you how to change your HID bulb. But first, I need you to slam that like button, okay? Hit that like button. The bulb you need is a D1S, okay? And it's imperative that you make sure that your headlight bulbs are off. So the best way to do that is to disconnect the battery.
Once you get it, I'm going to get some gloves on. Okay, align those two right there, 1 and 2. Okay, it's back in.
Okay, and 0 messages.